This time, make pasta gratin instead of pasta. Combine the onion, bell pepper paste, minced meat, salt and pepper and fry. Add the grated tomatoes, sponge and a glass of water. Let it cook for half an hour. In the meantime, boil the water and add the pasta. Coat the bottom of the dish with olive oil. Layer cooked pasta, sauce, roasted meat and pizza cheese. Place the dish in the oven for half an hour. This is a delicious gratin. So our next dish is tuna pasta with tomato sauce. Fry the garlic, olive oil, and tomato paste. Add the tomato puree. Add some red pepper and then add the tuna. The important thing is to keep the heat low during the frying process. Boil the water and add a little salt to it. And cook the pasta. Keep a glass of pasta water. Mix the cooked pasta with the tuna mixture, and then add the pasta water to it. Lemon juice and parsley help a lot to make it more delicious. And this is our second pasta. Well, here we have a Turkish pasta. Let's go cook it. Fry the minced meat, onion, salt, pepper, and tomato paste. Combine yogurt and garlic. Fry the butter and paprika over low heat. Well, it's over. That easy. To serve, pour the cooked pasta into the dish. Then pour the yogurt and garlic mixture over it. Then pour the meat ingredients, then the paprika oil. Finally, some fresh parsley and tomatoes for garnish. So, which type of pasta do you think is tastier today? Which one do you make?